Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Matt Azu, and if you're new to this channel, you can just smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so anytime we have a new video regarding freelancing, making money online, digital marketing, and how to videos. So in this video, you are going to be discussing about how to start freelancing on Prolancerr.com and some reviews and how you should trust the platform. And if you are from India and you are looking forward to um, see some freelancing websites in your country, so in this video we're going to be discussing about Prolancerr, which it was founded from India country, as you can see here. So the address is here, Gajanam Society, Wadi, and I don't know. So this is everything about Prolancerr. So, but here today we'll be discussing about the main freelancing platform and not about the particular location per se, but how should you freelance on this platform, and if they are actually legit and easy to work with. Then some features you can actually uh, see on Prolancerr and why it's different from other freelancing platforms. So as you can see here, if you have been using some other freelancing platforms, so you will see most of them always have these features where clients and freelancers can actually navigate to any different kind of categories they actually want to check. So as you can see here is graphics and design, here is digital marketing category, here is writing and translation, here video and animation, here is programming and text, business, teaching and lifestyles, then music and audio. So as you can also see here, they don't have much subcategory just like some other freelancing platform. So as you can see here, so same thing goes to every category. No much subcategory, just like maybe some Fiverr, Upwork, Top People Per Hour, and some other top freelancing website like that. So that is for the category part. And searching for a service, you can actually search for any kind of service you are looking for here, and the platform will showcase sellers offering that kind of service to you. So it will be very easy for a buyer to navigate to any kind of service they actually want to purchase or hire a freelancer for. So that is that for the searching part on Prolancerr.com. So, and these are with trusted business company with Prolancerr, which is PhonePe, Netflix, Microsoft, Facebook, Nika, and Paytime also, and some other businesses which was not included on the first page here. So here we move on to the popular professional services, which is main category that people actually purchase service from. And as you can see here, if you check some other freelancing platform as well, so you'll be able to see all these features. So it's mean that the categories that people are purchasing gig from mostly is logo design, voice talent, virtual assistant, web development, life coaching, and all. So these are 5 top categories fast rising on Prolancerr.com. So after moving from that, we move on to like the top proposal and services that maybe people are actually offering, and of course some people are buying as well. So this is underwriting, which is press releases, then this is blog post writing, this is content writing, this is logo design, and this is writing as well, which is ebook writing. So these are the gigs that get featured on the first page on Prolancerr.com. And what I understand about this feature is if your gig got featured on this first page, you will get order as soon as possible based on what I understand. So as you can see here, these sellers have gotten one review, but these three are yet to get their reviews. So but then I'm sure if those gigs still maintain on the first page of Prolancerr.com, so they are going to get their own first sale as well. So adding on from that, we move on to like explore the marketplace, which is the same categories which we have read in the top bar of this website. So as you can see here, these are 8 categories on Prolancerr.com. Then we move on to the why choosing Prolancerr. So the first option is here is 0% service fee, which means they charge no fee on the platform. If a buyer comes to a seller and purchase a service on the platform, both buyer and seller are not going to pay any fee on the platform. So as you can see, why to pay 20% or 10% of service fee? Just pay what it costs of freelancer on Prolancerr. So as you can see here, so if buyer purchase a service, there won't be any charges on the buyer. So same thing goes to the best for every budget. And as you can see on this platform, they offer a service where seller can do less than $5. As you can see, this particular gig, it's $3. So unlike some other freelancing platforms that started from $5 and upward. So move on to that. So quality work done quickly. So if you are looking for a fast delivery project as a buyer, so coming here on Prolancerr.com, you'll be able to get your project done as soon as possible. So they protect the payment everything. So they give full service and full support on your payment, whereby your money will not be released to freelancer if you don't approve the job. So that's quite amazing. So I guess almost every freelancing website do that. But then maybe they give some extra effort, whereby no matter how it is, the platform will not release money to the seller until the buyer is satisfied. So I don't know how freelancers will feel about this, but then I'm very sure they all know that there's no free money anywhere. So you get paid for what you did. So that's amazing. So the 24/7 support as well. As you can see here, so you can chat with Prolancerr support. So if you have any question, so you can chat with them and get or find solution to any problem you have been facing on the platform. So then these are some top features Prolancerr service and some testimonials as well, which was dropped with some clients that purchased a service on the platform as well. So you can see different kind of testimonies. So from the founder of Impact Media, so creative writer. Okay, I guess just 2 reviews. So that's not a bad idea though. So and you can actually connect with Prolancerr on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Quora, YouTube, and Instagram as well. So and they support different payment method, which is PayPal, Visa, Mastercard, Discover, and I think I don't know this, but I'm very sure they are well known platform where your money is very secure and your card are very secure. So as can also browse some other quick links here on Prolancerr.com, and the about page, contact us, disclaimer, privacy policy, cancellation and refund policy, as well as terms and conditions. So you can navigate to any kind of categories you actually want to get started with. Then if you have go through the website and you think it's detailed to the kind of service or what you need. So you can just scroll up to join now and sign up to join Prolancerr.com. So then to ask for your full name, the username you actually want to use on the platform, the email you want to use, then your phone number as well, then the password, and if you actually want to connect through your Google or your Facebook account, so that will be easy for you to get started with. So that is all I have for you in this video. And if you have any question, and one more thing I actually want to discuss about this website, this freelancing website is still how would I put it? It's still new, and if you decide to get started on the platform now, you will have a lot of opportunities to make money on the platform. But if the market is the platform is actually going viral and people are registering, the more people are registering on the platform, the more freelancers will get in their gig on the platform, and then the work that a single person should handle will be managed, or if a client actually message a single buyer for now, as the platform is, as time goes on, a buyer can actually message different kind of freelancer and go for the one that actually suits him or her for the project. So if you get started now, it's a big opportunity for you. So that is all I have for you in this video. If you like this video, kindly smash on the like button, and your subscription also matter to us a lot. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and recommend this video for anyone who is interested in freelancing on Prolancerr.com. And don't forget to comment. That's very, very important. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.